Shenzhen Kaidichen Electronic Technology Co., Ltd., was established in 2015, integrating research and development trade services, specializing in the research and sales of electronic components and automation systems. The company specializes in the production of displacement sensors, tension and pressure sensors, microsensors, force sensors, weighing sensors, tension sensors, torque sensors, multi-dimensional force sensors, and other switch sensors, and has a wide reputation both domestically and internationally. All core materials of the products are imported from abroad. Product design philosophy, drawing on the strengths of domestic and foreign brands, strong research and development capabilities, rigorous testing environments, strong production capabilities, and a comprehensive sales and after-sales service system, make the company's products an excellent choice for domestic and foreign equipment manufacturers.